Hey guys, Johnny here from Italy for Life 87. How are you guys today? How are you guys doing? I have an app review for you guys today, but beforehand, that intro you just saw was made by the Football 752, I believe. His link will be in the description bar because what I'm going to show you is probably going to take up the screen, so I won't be able to fit it in annotation. So, yep, I'm going to have an app review for you guys, and it's going to be on the app called Fragger. Hopefully you can see it right there, Fragger. Okay, so this app is a pretty great app for its price, honestly, guys. 99 cents in the App Store. I think it's number 2 app, made by miniclip.com, and also there's Candy Lane written on the side. So the title of the app is called Fragger, and there's play, options, and scores. So I'm going to go into scores first. Okay, guys, so first your high score, it's going to be written right here, as you can see. Oops, sorry, guys. Submit scores right there. That's so you can submit this high score, and then you can view high scores. Probably will take you online. So we're going to go back. Options. So this just basically shows you to put your music on or off, and sound effects on or off. Let me just show you an example. And your reset scores, you can reset the scores. Guys, for this one I have the volume turned off. I don't want any problems, so just don't worry about it. It has some good casual tunes to it, you know. So now to play the big part of the game. So there's 3 settings you can go to. Desert Strike, Lost City, and Planet X, which is coming soon. It's not out yet. I beat all of this Desert Strike, which is 40 levels long. It's a pretty rural area it's taking place in. So you can see through there. That's how it looks like. That's Desert Strike. I'll just take you into it for one, just quick one. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's pretty rural, nothing urban. So go back to the menu. Excuse me, guys. So just go back here. Okay, so then we're going to take you to Lost City. Lost City I haven't quite finished yet. It's more difficult. You would imagine, of course. Lost City is pretty much an urban area. It's in a city, so pretty obvious. I'm going to take you to 1, so we'll start from the lowest point. And I'm going to show you how to play this game now. So, yep, guys. So, as you can see, that's you right there, that guy. And those 2 are your enemies down here. So your objective is to take the grenades you have and basically defeat your enemies. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You click on the screen, and as you can see, this is how much power or how far it's going to be thrown. So you want to, try to mark your distance on how to throw it to this guy right here. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to try to put it down here, and there we go. So now it's going to blow up, and then the guy, you beat the guy, and then you have to get the other one to complete the level. So that's basically how the game is. You just aim by moving your finger. Once you tap the screen, just move it while you're still on the screen. And to release, you just, you go up and down for your power. And to release, you just release it. There you go. Bang. And it's going to go right there, and you got that one too. And look, you defeated the level. So it's going to say next and repeat. But, yep, so you got 3 badges. And you can press next if you want to. And then, as you can see, it'll get harder and harder. But I just want to show you guys that on the side right here, menu, you tap, of course, to go back to the menu. Reset, show you what it does. Reset basically restarts the level, and you have to start all over. The grenades right here, it'll show you how much they give you to start with. You can't add any. It's just a limited amount. So 9, that means I have 9 grenades to try to defeat these guys. And abort, I'm going to show you what it does. So basically, I throw a grenade. Let me just throw it a little bit less power. I throw the grenade, right? And to abort means you click abort and it's done. It doesn't blow up. Basically, you don't save the grenade. You lose a grenade because you threw it for no reason, and then you stopped it from blowing up. So it basically deactivates the grenade. That's basically the game, guys. So let me just go back to menu. Yep, and the loading screen has grenades on it. And let me just go back. Back again. And that's basically it, guys. This is 99 cents in the App Store. Number 2 app. It's really great for its price. It's a great app. So go check it out. I give it a 5 out of 5. There's no lags. It's very fun. So I hope you guys like this video. Okay, so if you guys like the video, please subscribe for more. I'm going to have a lot of these soon. Of course, other videos as well. My next video is probably going to be a question and answer video with the questions, and then I'll make the answers a week later or a couple days later. Depends on how many questions I get. So I hope you guys enjoyed the app review. Go check this out. App out. Go check my channel out. Please subscribe. And thanks for everything, guys. So I will see you in the next video. Johnny here from Italy for Life 87. Sorry, guys. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching.